So hello everyone, I am Prithviraj Day, and I am currently enrolled as a student of law in campus law center, University of Delhi, and I'm in my first year. So this is the second semester which is going on currently, and so while so at this point of time, I was completely clueless as to how to go about during this period of lockdown. So I was scrolling through a lot of courses online, and I happened to stumble upon LawSikho website, and then I was looking for courses, and I was very fortunate to receive a call from Mr. Abhyuday one day, and he helped me a great deal to understand that how is it that we can really, you know, advance in acquiring some sort of skill set that would be really helpful in the near future. So, and it was also a very insightful call because I'm a non-NLU student, and I realized that so I had this thought that NLU students always have an advantage over non-NLU students, but it was completely a myth buster. So the basic idea is to acquire as many skill sets that you can and present it so that it adds up in your CV. So I was guided by Mr. Abhyuday to take up this course, which is the legal drafting course, and it comprises of drafting contracts, drafting lots of civil petitions and claims and written statements, and it also consists of criminal drafting, which includes drafting bail application, etc. So taking up this course was really helpful, and so I was completely clueless because at this point of time, had the had happened, I would have taken up an internship or something, but that is not possible currently. So the course is really helpful at this point of time. And so our course was for a month, and then but it got extended to another month roughly because we couldn't cover all the topics because I think each of these sessions that we had for covering the topics were very comprehensive and in detail. So so naturally we had to extend the duration of our course, and I'm really thankful to LawSikho because we have an excellent faculty. We have Ruchika Motwani ma'am and Nimisha ma'am, who are always accessible, and you can always reach out to them in case of any doubts you have, and especially the sessions we have had. So regarding that, the first few sessions we were on contract drafting, and so we went through a lot of templates, and each of the clauses that are present in an agreement, and each of the essential clauses that are present in the agreement were explained to us, the need for having those clauses, and what happens if the person who's drafting such a contract fails to incorporate those clauses in the agreement. So each of those consequences were also explained to us in detail, and also LawSikho has this amazing LMS system, and we get assignments to work on every week, and after working on those assignments, we receive regular feedback as to how we can improve, and it's a very detailed feedback. So in case after the feedback, also if there is some queries that we need to, that we have in our mind that need to be addressed, we can always reach out to the faculty. So that is one of the great features of this course. And so again, the other session that we had was on written claims sorry, claims and written statements. Pardon me. So as I'm in my first year, I had no idea about civil drafting, but when the sessions were held, orders 7 and 8 of the CPC were explained to us in detail. So we could really have a grasp of what goes into writing a plain tenor written statement. So that was also very helpful. And I would definitely recommend this course to everyone who's currently pursuing law. And also in our batch, we had non students not belonging to the legal profession. If, so everyone. So someone who's not even who's not a lawyer per se or a law student per se, but has to do work regularly in terms of which is related with the legal field, must definitely take up this course.